Feet, said the student. You know now that a stressed syllable is one that is said louder than the syllables around it. You know, too, that poets organize these stresses into patterns to create rhythm. Those patterns come in countable units, called feet. So a foot can be defined as a unit of syllables repeated in a line to create a rhythm. Take these two examples we've already seen. Because I could not stop for death. It can be broken into 4 feet. As I came to the edge of the wood. It can be broken into 3 feet. This is really quite simple. Sure, it can get complicated if you want it to. Poetry is one of the oldest forms of knowledge we have, but for a basic understanding of feet, you'll just have to memorize 6 words and 6 types of foot. 2 are common, 2 less common, and 2 are specialized feet that get thrown into a poem every now and then. The 4 types of feet that organize the majority of poems in English are iambs, trochees, anapaests, dactyls, and the specialized feet are spondees and pyrrhics. An iamb consists of 2 syllables, an unstressed or slack syllable followed by a stressed syllable, as in the boy or beguile. A trochee is the reverse, 1 stressed syllable followed by a slack syllable, boys are or gather. An anapaest consists of 3 syllables, 2 slack followed by 1 stressed. 'Twas the night, or contradict. And finally, a dactyl is the reverse of an anapaest, 1 stressed followed by 2 slack syllables. John is a, or bordering. The most common foot in English by far is the iamb. The second most common is the anapaest. Trochees are next, and dactyls are the least common of the 4 basic feet. Trochees and dactyls are usually used to create variety in an iambic or anapaestic line. They are not usually the dominant foot in a line, but they can be. The other 2 feet we need to mention are spondee and pyrrhic. The spondee consists of 2 stressed syllables, a pyrrhic of 2 unstressed. A spondee, baseball, a pyrrhic, inna. These are used almost exclusively as substitute feet to add variety to a line. It would be very hard, to say the least, to write a line of any length in either foot. So with those 6 feet, you can analyze almost any traditional poem written in English.